Hyena. Hyenas always make us stop shivering with their cruelty. They can eat cannibals. The battle between two hyenas is destined to die. They bite each other mercilessly. In the end, one was killed in battle with barbaric pulling and biting faces from the opponent. It was painful. Two hyenas were in the river, battling it out. One was dominant and the other one was trying to retreat. The rivalry over territory can become an ugly one at times. And when wild animals clash, you can be sure that there are never two winners. There will always be one between the two that pulls the shortest straw. It was harsh to watch as the hyena being struck was already badly wounded and looked exhausted and in pain. And a bad thing happened. The hyena was seriously injured and died after that fierce battle. These were two leopards, and they were fighting. When the dust had settled, we saw that one was rather young and small compared to the other, more dominant one, which was attacking the younger one. The older leopard grabbed the small leopard by the neck and held him down forcefully until you could see the little one suffocate and there was no life left in him. The dominant leopard moved his grip from the neck to the mouth. He then bit down so hard we could hear the skull break. Too painful for the death of the poor leopard. Duker's pitiful cry begging the killer to spare his life made viewers' hearts clench. However, the predator does not mind that. Its job is to kill the duker as fast as it can. Desire to survive has been extinguished. Lions are more than capable hunters. Wild buffalo cry out in pain when attacked by male lions. It was killed by a bite to the neck. Impala. In this remarkable sighting, we see a young unfortunate impala really have all the odds stacked against it. This impala got caught by a crocodile and showed immense strength and determination to defeat the croc. But seconds later, it was killed by the leopard. It's the appointed day it must die. That was the arrangement of fate. Cheetah. A male cheetah approached the waterhole to quench his thirst when nearby crocodile ambushed him into the water. There was no chance for it to escape the crocodile's strong teeth. Sometimes death comes unexpectedly and leaves us at a loss. Leopard. Buffalo. Male lions are certainly well equipped for battle and powerful hunters in their own right. The kings of the jungle, able to take down a buffalo weighing around 800 to 900 kilograms in a single blow with one swipe of a mighty paw, before suffocating the buffalo with powerful jaws tightly clenched on the throat. Thankfully, a quick and relative painless death. We always see male lions with an extremely majestic appearance,